Hello there, this is Yogi, and today I want to talk about this feeling sometimes I have, and many of us have, when we just feel tired, unmotivated, and just not feeling like we want to do anything. Yesterday, when I woke up, I felt like that. I wanted to go for a run and exercise, and I was just exhausted, tired, didn't feel like going. And instead of, usually what happens is I distract myself and I start to read news or just do some random things so I can just avoid that time when I'm feeling unmotivated and tired. But yesterday, it just happened that I started to observe my feelings. And what am I really feeling? What am I needing right now? And it was something opened up. I spent about half an hour, 45 minutes journaling. And for me, journaling is not writing, but I tend to write on the whiteboard. So I'll show you what I wrote yesterday during that time. And what came to me was, what am I needing that will help me feel rejuvenated right now? And usually it comes from the mind, like, oh, if I do this, I'll feel good, I'll feel rejuvenated. But yesterday I just felt like I'll just try it. So I wrote, the first thing I wrote, maybe you can't see it, I wrote was, I'll walk and listen to an audiobook. So I just spent some time walking around. I didn't listen to the audiobook, but that was a simulation I did. But the second and the further ones I actually did them was breathing. I just did a minute or two of breathing, like, how I feel. And I felt a bit rejuvenated. Then I also said, okay, a minute of jumping on like high activity, intensive exercise I'll do. And I was jumping around. That felt good. Then I also did some declarations. How I want to feel. I am vibrant energy. And I kept doing them for like 30, 45 minutes. And at the end of it, I just felt like I'm ready to go for a run now. And then I went for a run and I had fun. So one invitation I have is, when we feel tired and unmotivated, it might be a good time to get deeper into what we are feeling and what we are needing, that we are, what needs of ours is not being met. Sometimes it's just a physical exhaustion, but yesterday it was not a physical exhaustion. I had just woken up and I was just psychologically was just tired. So going into how am I feeling, really feeling that feeling in the body, and then contemplating what is it that might help me. Think about those, a few things that help you. They don't have to last long, like maybe a minute, 2 minute, 3 minute activity, and actually try doing them and see if you can do it. Sometimes it's a good idea in the mind that we will do it, but when it actually comes time to doing it, we have a hard time doing that because 5 minutes of doing something is just too much when I'm tired. So actually see if you can do that and see if it feels you rejuvenated. All right, that's all for now. Take care.